Hey everyone, welcome back. So, something hilarious happened this morning. I walked into a cafe and told the waiter, "I'll come back in 5 minutes, I'm just making a small walk." And he looked at me like I was training for a marathon.
Making a small walk? Jay, that sounds like you're building a walk with tools and wood.
I know, I was half asleep, but it got me thinking, we all use weird English sometimes without noticing. So today, let's clean up a few everyday phrases so you sound smooth when you speak.
Okay, here's one that I hear all the time. I'm going to do a party. Every time someone says that, I imagine them drawing blueprints for a birthday cake.
Yeah, you don't do a party, you throw a party, or you have a party.
And honestly, if you're throwing a party, please don't throw it at me.
Here's another one that always makes me smile. Don't disturb me, I'm very busying. Busying, like it's a sport.
Guys, just I'm busy is enough. No extra decorations needed. Okay, my turn. People say this all the time. I'm waiting you. And I always want to ask, waiting me where? In the shadow? Behind the trees?
You've been watching too many dramas, but yeah, it's I'm waiting for you. Just that tiny "for" makes the sentence sound normal. Last one from me. My English is under processing. That sounds like your brain is loading like a computer.
Just say, I'm still learning, or I'm improving. Simple, clean, natural.
And that's it for today. Nothing heavy, just small fixes that make your English sound way more natural.
If you've heard any funny English mistakes, your own or your friends, drop them in the comments. We love reading those.
All right, see you tomorrow. Keep practicing and don't make a small walk like I did.
Bye, everyone.